friends, welcome to Monkey Arts. And today we're gonna draw what, doggy? We're gonna draw Cosmo from Cosmo Planet. Yeah, doggy, are you happy about it? Yeah, I wanna see him finished and drawn, and then we can hang out and play. Yeah, you're right, doggy. So guys, today we're gonna draw that little character Cosmo from Cosmo Planet, and in that cartoon you can learn a lot about planets and stars and universe. And we're gonna need some markers, we're gonna need a piece of paper, and we're gonna need a little black marker, and I'm gonna use my rocket. And we can start. So we're gonna go and create his little funny eyes first, and they're gonna go something like this. So we're gonna draw big circles. Big. Isn't that too big, Teacher Dan? No, it's perfect. It's gonna be perfect because this character is really small. Okay. And then we're gonna draw another eye somewhere here. Let's try to make both circles similar size, just like that. Then we're gonna draw a little line here and a little curved line. A little curved line here as well. And then we're gonna put two little black circles here. Look at him, he's already funny. And now we're gonna draw his mouth. He will be happy, he will be laughing. And first we draw this, and then we're gonna draw another line which will go a little bit lower, just like that, and up. And there we go, we have his face, and he's so funny already. Now we need to draw a bigger circle. It's more like oval. I'm gonna put here one little dot and here because I need some guidelines. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, and then we're gonna connect this one like that. Then we're gonna finish that little circle somewhere here. Okay, and then we're gonna draw, I think it's a spacesuit. I'm not actually sure, but I think it is. So we need to draw another circle all around like this. Okay. Ooh, I have a little bit black color on my fingers. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, up, and on the bottom side as well, down, and then we're gonna go from here and connect those lines. Okay, and it's okay if you don't get it from the first time. You can always go back and draw it again. Okay, or if I'm going too fast. Okay, and now we're gonna draw a little it's like a hand of his. Okay, we're gonna draw two lines just like this, and then three fingers, 1, 2, and 3, just like that. He's so funny. Okay, and then we're gonna draw that little spacesuit that looks like a dress. Oh yeah, everything is funny about this cartoon. And then it goes here, and then it goes here. Okay, looking nice. Now we need another hand, and and it will go somewhere here. Okay. Then again we need 3 little fingers. Yeah. And the third one. Cool. And it also has a little star in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna try and draw a little star, just like this. And there we go. Okay, and now we're gonna also draw some legs for this little Cosmo. So we need, again, 2 lines. Then we're gonna draw his foot, just like that. And again, we need 2 lines to draw another foot. Cool! Look how cute he is. He's really funny and goofy and cute. Okay, so we're gonna use just 2 markers, just 2 colors we need. So we need red one for his face. So we're gonna color all around, just like this. And then the front part as well. And his spacesuit will be white. So we're gonna just leave it as it is. Okay, let's color the front parts. This side as well. Then we're gonna go to the top. Cool. Now here. And all around, around we go. Just like planets in our universe. Huh? Cool. And we're gonna also color this part, I forgot. That's gonna be red as well. And this one. Cool, looking nice. And now we're gonna use our yellow for this lovely star. Nice. And that's all. Actually, we can color his mouth black, but I'm gonna leave it just like this, white. It's more interesting like that. And now you can color the background and make it like a universe. Okay, maybe you can draw some stars around, maybe you can draw some planets and color it dark blue or purple. You can make it much more interesting. Okay, so we have finished our little Cosmo, and we're gonna give it a little check mark, and he can hold it actually, just like this. Yay! I'm finished, and I'm holding a little check mark. Oh, look at Cosmo, he's talking as well. And here, Cosmo, you can hold this heart as well, because we love you. Thank you. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.